Prajapati. I'm come from NIFL. My sir has given me a task to interact with people. So here we have a very special guest. What is your name, sir?
My name is Arpit Patel.
Arpit Patel. Okay, so what are you doing in your studies?
Actually, I'm in MP Financial Corporation as assistant manager. I'm from basically from Indore and currently posted in Gwalior.
Posted in college. So what is your main motive of your life? I like
Uh, Actually, about academics, I have achieved what I want, but I want to achieve something spiritually. I want to know myself much better. I want to progress in my life and to do my karma, and that's it.
Okay, so can I ask you some personal questions? Okay, so are you single or married?
I'm single.
Single. So do you like any girl? Uh,
No, until the girl, any girl has not been qualified to reach at me.
that's why you like you want the educated girl.
No, it's not. The qualified means not in the education term, but uh, I just don't know. I can't define it because I'm a spiritual person,
Okay, so
So
it means you believe in love.
love is not dependent to any individual, or I think it's a feeling that we associate with the God, especially.
Yeah, that's that you are a spiritual person. Then you know the story of our Lord Krishna and Radha, Goddess. So do you believe in their love story?
First of all, we need to understand what does Radha represent. Radha represents a devotee.
Yeah.
So the love between them shows that love is not dependent on only on gender or any discrimination, especially.
Yeah.
So this is a perfect example of the especially love, because generally people associate love, Radha Krishna as only love, but that's a devotion. The next stage of love is devotion.
Yeah,
When love,
as
so that.
you know that our youth is just when they are falling in love and they just thought that it is an attraction and they just believe that it is their true love and they did a when girls said no they did a wrong things like acid attack and many things as you know. So what do you think? What is your own your opinion on that kind of a thing?
First of all, when you're going to know somebody, you need to know yourself.
Yeah,
So how you could love anybody until and unless you are not loving yourself.
yeah,
And loving yourself means to know yourself from a very deep concept. And that is, I personally, I also study Vedanta.
yeah.
Have you studied the Upanishads? So I'm studying them from last 2 years, and that has changed me a lot, I think. And I think most of youth do not know about Upanishads,
Yeah,
and they do not study our scriptures, especially Bhagavad Gita or Vedanta. So they provide a broad thinking, which our traditional beliefs makes us.
that's it. Thank you for your previous time. Puja Prajapati.